Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can activate your Simplii Financial debit card in Canada. And in order to do so, here we are at the Simplii site. I can tell you from experience that activating the card is fairly straightforward, but there might be a couple of hoops that you need to jump through in order to get that done. I actually had to go to the post office in order to confirm my identity. So that is something that you might have to do, but that is not absolutely necessary. But once you get your card, it will be sent to you and you're going to get a PIN number. And what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to go to your local CIBC branch and put in the card, enter in the PIN code, and then you should be good to go. But just as I said, you might have a couple of extra steps to go through in case you need to confirm your identity. Let's just go ahead and double check here with Cider AI. Cider is a fantastic tool for your Chrome browser that allows you to ask questions of AI at any time and get the answers you're looking for. So according to Cider, first off, you're going to want to log into your Simplii Financial online banking account, navigate to the section for card services or account management, find the option to activate your debit card and follow the prompts. On the mobile app, you can open the Simplii Financial mobile app on your smartphone, log into your account, look for the card activation options and complete the steps. You can also call Simplii Financial's customer service and follow the automated instructions or speak with the representative to activate your card. You can use your Simplii Financial debit card at a CIBC ATM, insert your card and enter your PIN. The card activation will typically complete after this first successful transaction. But again, as I said, you might have to do a couple of extra steps to confirm your identity. But once you get the card and once you get the PIN, then it should be a pretty straightforward process. If you do have any trouble, make sure you call Simplii Financial's customer service. And the next thing I want to tell you about here is the Refer a Friend program. With Simplii Financial, you can get $125 for referring your friends. And if your friends sign up, they get $50. I can confirm that this is real. It's worked for me. It's wonderful. Every time you get that 125 in there, it's a wonderful little gift. And so I highly recommend getting set up with Simplii, and you can get that 125. All you have to do is once you open up your account, then you are going to need to come to the Refer a Friend section. Make sure that you accept the terms and conditions, and you'll be given a referral link that you can then give to your friends and your family and they can get started. So that's all there is to it, and comes highly recommended. Check it out. If you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree, and there you will find more information on the Simplii Refer a Friend program. Click on that link to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.